happened between you and Maggie? What happened?
It's been long since you called me, and the first thing you're asking me is this.
You were a bad girl. You were a wicked girl. I say, what happened? You and Maggie? What happened?
Nothing happened.
Nothing. What happened? I tell them come Maggie eko ropu. I tell and Maggie eko ropu. Me say see me to me nya adwuma wo Kumase mo. Entimi nkwaje akatua e wo Kumase mo. Sameko Kumase mo akwaje akatua dia na me ye adwuma wo. Eye dai ana Maggie nkoko ropu.
Me, I was in the hostel then.
Why? Whoa, huh? We so phone career. Wo so pa career. We so pa so career. Wo. Aye day na Maggie no kwa wo aye day. Kafra me.
I was in the hostel then he just came that he's looking for one of the.
Fight me kwa. What Jimmy dodo. Wo. Ha na wo kwa adina wo ha ho sa. Wo ha why day. You
come to ask me something. You won't even let me explain the thing. Talk.
I know where I'm talking from.
Talk. Keep on talking.
I know what I'm
explaining the thing to you. You know.
Why explaining? What is explaining?
So keep on talking.
What she sort of kutu say kutu. And now they
say bam.
And Sani about pro school say kutu. What unika na utese uno ukwaje Maggie no.
He came to the hostel. Why don't you want to understand? I was in the hostel. You keep quiet and listen to me. I was in the hostel. I heard someone knocking. I opened the door. It was Mike J. He said he's looking for one girl in Form 1. And then I don't even know the girl. No.
Can't you say me you like I was there.
So when he came to sit there, although my J and I, we've settled things and we've become a bit cool, we were talking and we said we are waiting for the girl. So there was nobody in the hostel. So he used us as an advantage.
Yeah. So just was when you're from and what's it?
You see, you're making me suffer.
Yeah.
Oh.
Kajira the dousing some of the anka one be buaso. What a wo Kajira the Daudi some of the anka one be capaso. What a would your partner? Would you dear? Huh? Would you dear? Dear we in me who now woman you might dear how I dare depa or Jose kutu say umpe. Huh? So my dear no how you lose. This was so much do this shit them not
whoa. Why are you saying that?
I will say today, I will say tomorrow, I will say yesterday, I will say Wednesday, I will say Friday.
I'm telling you that the thing is not true. It didn't even happen. And plus, it wasn't my fault.
Yeah. Yeah, munima na nyame fault. Enipa no ko jire wo. Eh, wo ade na baby asumdwe wo mpe.
Aren't you supposed to call my
we da. Zoka chi, kete ba ka chi. Zoka chi si free. Marketing. Come imagine what no kwa Jimmy. Listen to wise I was sort of kutuno. Or so no one what in the moment she will know for my man can they dirty. Could you teach she didn't know whoa? But who's open concoma love? A boat in his any and more to me and one shady near wow. Chichi. What? How Scanty you?
Scanty how did he even come inside this?
The best Scanty see what be wala. Me na imagine sano.
I don't even like him.
Me?
I don't like him.
Then
I don't like him.
A man go come in more papa.
I don't like him. Do you think I can stay with someone like him? I don't like him.
What Belcom had that dad? Me who's an answer me your papa beam?
I don't care.
I don't care. I said,
so if you don't care, why did you call me here?
I call you just because I asking you between and my J.
Since you don't care about me, don't call me again and ask me anything.
But this one, I will care.
So let's end it here. Don't call me again.
I will never call you again.
That's fine.
Can't you seem like you say that's fine?
That's fine.
Jaja me ba fi omo di mo.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any monster drum meya.
Only say black.
Me na me colleges. Why? Mahunya.
She, they make an hunya. They make an hunya say lectures.
I don't think I say mahunya because me ko jade. Why?
Unim say so.
Actually, pa be gina nsama wo kan ti say enu bi book me sa dey.
Hey, Kati.
Enki.
Me ye de hia me ansan mako. Mu ya me jai kan. Me jai kan mo na mo ho be kire mo.
Teacher ni pa na ye onsa say.
Mo na mo ho be kire me kan kire mo.
Saku.
Tina friend Saku.
See tampa. Enuma unta say ene tubu.
Enu be kan blofo mu say.
Me kan blofo say. Me kan blofo.
So want me ahon. Ka school mu ahon. Huh? Enuma o mu ntakra say o mu tubom ne blofo ye dey.
Ne blofo ye wa pampa.
Nurse ni pa. Enuma o mu ntakra say no mu tubom blofo ye dey.
Minim
aban kwa wo fa wo
enam se minim wo
be se wo ka kire no se wuni
dabi ade a wo ye ne ka kire no wo na se wo ka kire no
enam se minim wo kire
ya ju da ka kire wo hu ne ka kire ne ayede ka no se wuni
na si pa
me ne me ka kire mo headmaster of am ho adwin headmaster of am ho adwin da se wo timi ko gi leave se wo se me coin now se wo nam also I want send the same thing. Who so you live 10 bia pe na over school. Na muka school na mo dia. Maybe the school na mo dia.
Na me ba wo men kan kira wo se me ko me man ko bo me masters.
Wo ko bo wayi. Wo ko bo yi. O doctors na ko bo.
Man ko bo me masters. Me ko bo me masters o.
Ma kan cho.
Me ntse se black na wa ko bie laundry wo nsia so ona. Wa bia wo si ne ma o de giska no. What?
Imaye say things ye kan asem wo die na wo kan
umie laundry teacher ni was bie laundry about the law
e above the law
above the law
above the law bia
ene ma men kan kire wo say akọ China kwa to kofa t-shirt by me yawe o next week wo say akọ China na wo pack si China obi me ma China for na bo me
bo me masters na me why ne be ka to say me kofa t-shirt to China me
say t-shirt ni ma ko fa ni China kwa so
nya me say why the boss sama ne no
me wo fa se no waka wo fa mo
Scanty ne kan sa asem
waka mo biate
ya die bi ade
waka mo biate sister Suban mo so da mo school hu hia mo school na mo gba mo ntimi nji pay mo so na mo tifi
na mo dia na aban school no dia
na wo so e wo dia
school no dia
wo so e wo dia
wo be ko je school ho
me ko je school
woni mpadodo aba
ene me ka kire mo se mo school no gu a egu mo ankasa
woni ni padodo aba
ni padodo aba kon eti padodo aba nti school ni say we are ko shifu okra ma me dwunu ko amon ti ase
abre bia o be se o tumo woni se nipa num we die nipa
mi die
nipa e date na afre
okra de na minim se okra de wo ye se okra de wo ye fun okra sin wi
yes
wo ye fun okra sin bibi na ejina on wo ko school o free school mu e jebosia na akoye laundry no wa jiska wo sinie ma hodo na wo jiska gu goto
maintenance school mu anam sa me ntimi nya da business bi apart from teaching
wo ya da business ya yes over school na be kira
de wo kire wono oni adwuma bia o ana oni
eni to ko
sana na eni school mu asa
ma me enyi modi en fi school mu ananya
wo ruwa
me se opa yenko be
ruwa
yenko be
sister coach
yenko be
wenti na afra me no
me si wenti afra yenko be se me si me ma me enyi modi ananya me
laundry me ko
why wa pampam se de etwi ho ade
laundry
me ka kiro hwie
pa onso what no dey call is a laundry man me modus ye me di o school mu ha
eni ye nya
en no na me yam timi bi laundry no me srew
eni ansa ne wie me niema wo ho nyina yituru
bia wani obeka
wo wukura nkenye ye yi wadi awie so nimu a
santoa mai e kan se bia che oti me yi pa sa small boy no famfula no twon free no twon kura free no pra bi ne ye ana nke ye de kwhye no ana ade no asuo twa wie afisu twa wie ase wo get close one way dey debi adi ni ngwas akra uswa na sam 20 akra wonti be ngono
mai o pese o chem se miyemba no
nyanya yemba
miyemba unim se miyemba no ena ama me di nyinsa ni kwhye no mai
asantoa
unim se meba mama kasa unim se miyemba ena wo ma ho kwan se menene nkokonda ne fa nyinsa nhye no mai
asantoa Tia sama me catch no. Eno esu atwa wo. Atwam.
Enche.
Eti sie wie twu separate wo.
Enche mu me dem afole.
Ah, wa fole ama wan?
Ma fole ama akra no.
Sa akra ketua we wa fole ama no. Asonto nya ono ba na ede wo.
Enfa hu mai. Enfa hu.
He.
Uye sana na wo so wodwin ensem ebesi we ehwe na wo se nka wodwin hu. Na wo kra no menyim ye krampo no wo nhye den fi me fi papa bia. Wo hyimu kwa se be den na wo mai. Na anya ono na wa around me to say nyankopon kwa na midana se akwa we wuye. Se me nka akwa no kan ko bebo me so nka me hu de me. Nti mai dia en dia tekemu.
Ade na tekemu asanto he. Se wan tru ho freeze akra no ho ahon. Chupu akra no wo sa esie wie. Pa. The battle end. So what eji bi na uda so te akra go se wo so wo afole ama akra we.
Ama fo.
Wallahi asanto anka wo be. Anka school mu ahon. Chupu free akra no ho. Me ma warning.
Mai, mimi so. Ti me ha wani nwu me so mimi so wo say. Me se ma fall, me na me de me ho na me se ma fall. O kwa wo ye teacher ni, me student ni kwa se me no wo twempeda.
Sure.
Mai so ye waje so be tata me me ka child master wo. Me ka child master so wo ni me na nyimo ye. Share, unim sade net na baby na me so me mo me bro, me living my life. I found a new love, please.
Santoa. Baby I go de me na no.
Hey,
Wo be catch headmaster say wo ne me na nyim.
my.
Ha bibi ye ho. Wo ko ka asantoa wo ko ya me ayimadi. Ha asantoa me do mama no aduane bo me ha. Ka mu se wo wiase wo huro ho ka de me ti be ye wo no asantoa.
Ene my osuma me ho ntome. Ma me ho ntome. Nyin say a wonyem me kwa me hu de odi me fame.
E dey na do fame
Me
asantoa.
hu de odi me fame.
Am cancel.
Onyem me sika say na odi ma me. Umma me sika ahin bia na wo treat me ni ha odi me nyim wi afa na wo didi different girls achi wo say wo try me say wo choices. Nti sisi a me suma free me wo me choice. And that's my choice.
Sa asantoa ma men ka cho se wunnim na wunnim. Na wan tru won fra kra na ye ho se ko bo headmaster amane. Asantoa ye yimadi anka school bia nu asantoa bekom. School bia ni Ghana hanka wo bekom.
My untimi nya me foko.
Maka kire wote.
Untimi nya me foko.
Be se tru ho free boy no ho.
Me nchire me ho.
Na wo go dey how? Eyi mission ye koye ya wie. Ne fe ne se wa twen ho. What's up with that one? Edibim,
Made ben. Me pebie mo we awawro mo bie hu no. Me pebie mo. Me pebie say me pe black man, me pe a white.
White.
Say mabaso. Me pe white, me pe
Talk
black.
on asra. I'm so white. What is?
Mabaso white.
Asantoa, you singing? Oh, Tonyom. Oh, pe white.
Me pe white.
White woman, my memu peche no na ampe black basi. Ah?
Mempe.
Enya asantoa me ka nya fe na me koto kreton asra o. Na ma bo me na asipokre o.
O ko ede, o ko so nku asra.
Be say, me na me ka kire o, me de kreton ni pokre be fra.
A decorated monkey is still a monkey.
Who is a monkey?
Me say a decorated monkey is still a monkey.
Red monkey is a still red monkey.
And black monkey is still black monkey.
Black monkey is never still a monkey. Da! What it?
Yeah, my time for fairy. Yeah, my time for fairy. Yeah, my time for fairy. Oh, shame on you. I say shame on you. Shame on you.
Okay. Inti mi chamu ofia basisi ya ntidi akoso no.
Oh, Opoku.
Hey.
What are you talking about?
You don't know what I'm talking about.
I thought you are coming to say you've missed me.
Wafi wan obi wa no kasa sem ni bi ma meti abo gate what? Wafi wan? Huh? Opre. Ana kama ije koto mo na. She is going to rape you. So right now you are a rapist. Opre de bia me ka kire opre me pe wase mo school ma me hu ya de na nya opre me hu ka kire wa opre hu nse bia me pe kasa na ze bia me town. Only boy starting relationship me catch yourself precious boy you need to so amwa na esga wo ba ko date be man ti so da
Debbie. Ofa boy, you must see him wow. When is that shit? I'm wow. And no, I love him. And no. And some cocoa to man. Now me bow. Maybe I saw boy na others I didn't know I find because Obi a mood dated there and not there cap mona to benu.
We've not had any agreements that we are going to do such things.
Nanti mood dating no na mood dating say mood dating.
We were just getting to know each other.
Say.
We were just getting to know each other. It wasn't that serious.
But you offer another.
No.
Me who be 2 times I offer no.
No.
Answer muja just one no color na seba. Na ne boy ni date one no color kokko ni nyina fi o man ye tuntum. We for. Ono mu date I offer o man no to so be 3 no one ye kokko one ye pink kura be da ne tuntum.
Opoku, so is this why you have a problem with me? It didn't even happen.
It's happening.
He tried.
Why this one down to say?
Opoku, I don't like that. I said he tried, but it didn't happen.
It happened.
It didn't.
Boy, mu yes one da. Wo ji hu nyina. Huh?
You can go and ask Benis. Nothing happened.
You are a liar.
Nothing happened, Opoku. I don't like that. Nothing happened.
To no boy and said you see pa bet what to one of my bow name one
He tried, but it didn't happen. I was in joggers. Like
na joggers here ro. Ono kwa ro no say you see abdunya so tete no. Of say the truth.
If it had happened, I wouldn't have made people aware of it.
I
don't want to have this conversation with you.
That's what the baby no son baby
I've missed you. Let's talk about that.
Florian can't say now see I've missed you. That's what the Berman was so. Say you, I won't let this Berman enter my inside. And why you leave the problem? Say, hey, precious. A tomb can be a remember could be maybe as a now person obey and remember Kunana also the journey. A banner say, chim say. Precious.
You are not willing to listen to me.
I'm willing.
You already have your conclusion. Take that
I
one.
Didn't have the conclusion. Mine. That is what I hear. That is why I'm.
And talking. I'm telling you that it didn't happen. But you're defending yourself.
I'm asking you. Tell me the truth. What happened?
I will not tell you anything. Go. Where you heard it from, go and let them explain it to you well.
Oh, why are they now? Me, makwaba na beteno. Me be defend me be man. Oh, momo sa bofu.
But when you came, I started explaining, and you decided not to listen to me.
I'm decided to listen.
I've even told you that I've missed you and all that, but you decided not to mind me. And you expect me to explain myself.
Now why you work at them so I feel me? I'm not so. It's not. Precious. So what happened? You didn't tell me.
If I were to be having this argument with someone else, I wouldn't have been smiling. I would have been angry. I would have left. But because it's you, I'm having patience.
Yes, I know. And I'm having a joke. So what happened?
I said that I was in the hostel. Then he came. It's a girls' hostel. You know how the girls' hostel is like. There are other people there. But on that day, they were all not there. So he came. We're sitting in
They were all not there?
No.
Okay.
We're sitting in the living room. And then he started getting closer. I told him we are alone, so he should get away. And he was like, I can't tell him that. Then he just moved. He just did what he wanted to do. And then no, he just slept on me, tried to do it, and then somebody came in. No. No. Opoku, I promise. He just removed this one. It was left with the ball. I promise.
Alright, she removed the track.
This one.
This.
But you're wearing something under this one, right?
Yes. So you remove this.
This one.
And he left it. He left it.
The one there.
And he put it inside.
No. He didn't remove that one. You're giving me a hard time. Yes.
Precious, me, sometimes I believe you, but sometimes I don't believe you.
Believe me this time, I'm not lying.
But you kiss?
No.
What about Taflubomski?
We didn't do anything like that.
Hey, okay, you do Taflubomski.
I didn't.
Go away, you do Taflubomski.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Me I'm a broso we me ya. Me pesa me come anymore.
just hearing me well. You know, it's not that I didn't love you. I'm in love with you. But I don't know that it's a little bit an issue happening with me and you, our between. Yesterday you came into my house and you were standing with the gate outside.
I was standing in front of your gate.
Say, Bawe, what are you searching from there?
What am I searching from there? I was coming to tell your husband.
Oh, why did you do this? This doesn't look alike you. So why are you coming in front my house? And
No.
so you meaning to told my husband?
Yes. I was ready.
It's me. You have my mind bad mentalization with your mind. Not just I mean, why dream bunny show
No.
Salu, you know how much I need you. When my husband realize and know what is going between me and you inside, we cannot continuously again, which means a breakup.
Yes.
So why are you doing
That's what you want. That's what you want, Mama.
It's unfailing. It's unfailing. God didn't love that, which is not nicely. Please, Salu, you know how much I need you. I don't want me and you break up or something else. So you shouldn't do that.
You mean it?
I mean it.
You mean it?
Yes, of course. You know how much I love you.
Mama, but what you're doing to me is unfair. What you're doing to me is unfair.
Please, it's
At least, look at how much I've spent on you. I took care of you. Whatever you need, I give it to you. Whenever I ask you to go with me, you say, no, I still need money. All the money that I have, I've already given all of this to you. What do you want me to do again?
I'm sorry, sometimes, I am on my red. Koto came on the path. So
always kotoko. Why?
It's very soon gone soon. So that
not house of folk.
I will certify
not
to
before
you. Saloon. You know how the day I kept you or I took you from the bed inside the bed, you will see the baddest of me.
So
I will drive even craziness.
So shall we go?
It's not now. Today is Kotoko is in. So you just give me 3 days. It will cut off and then we will go. Don't worry, baby. How much you are going to chop? It's
Mama,
a little bit.
Mama, do you know something? I want to chop kotoko today.
No! God didn't love that.
But I love it.
No.
Love it.
I can't do that.
Let's go.
No. Please, my stomach down will pain me, which is not fair. It will be moja. It's so sweet.
Mama, what you're doing to me is unfair.
Very soon, would I give you 4 days time so that I'll certify you. Okay. There's someone have like your head inside. You want me to kiss you? I'll give you a kiss today. I want to massage your nipple. Why is it not sweet to you? Or it's your feelings? It's not your nipple. It's your mouth. So you want kiss? Okay. Do you know something? I need 1,000. This coincidence. When I kiss you, you're gonna give me the 1,000 for this. 1K to kiss.
Your mama, your papa, your grandfather, your great-father. Damn you!
So are you willing to do it?
Willing to do what? Willing to give you 1,000 seed for a kiss? Mama, what do you take me for?
No, I mean it. I'm just a kidding.
Then give me.
You don't need a kiss.
I need a kiss. Give me.
It's
me.
Oh my God. Okay. Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Let's go.
Okay.
Mrs. Ya ufiri ni papa na eba. Huh? Wofa. Okwe den wo.
No ya re. Who say the family is no be any na me na me available.
Ah. Seer. Wofa yare. Ana wo family no obia ni kumase kakraka nyina. Unkwa na wo kumase.
And almost if you school better offer.
Oh.
Hey, see you can't throw papa. Into 2 weeks, Nina, now offer.
Oh, no more found.
Hey! Now then, what happened to your phone? Then your phone.
My phone no me drew more from fear no me problem. Na light no. At a call meaning one more fear on corner light number. Intimate man charge.
2 weeks no could do of a few on them now. I'm light not to 20 man charge your phone. Hey, sure. Then you should. Hey, sir, okay, now share you, baby. You know, that show and a series with Lomo now. See, I want some macho. Once a macho. Oh, I've 2 weeks. Now light not to call. Oh, shall Lomo. Huh? Oh, shall Lomo no 2 weeks now light not gonna run away. See, I don't know can't trust her. Huh?
More of a down for do a generator. My question no fear.
See, enjoy community. Yes, I style ye man on one smart woman. What a down for generator and 2 for no call Lomo no as I bow for no better not soon. Bow call for no the generator never Lomo. Unhunyan san charge of phone.
It's all Lomo once in a coil.
Your phone into now coil. See, I wedge me. Wedge me. Hey. On your first person, I had Mama Boba. My first person, Mama Boba, see. In the 2 weeks I could do, and to see now about school, no best start if. To see her then I'll be. You see, I deal good. To see her bed then. Ah, see her.
It's on to a bedroom.
Eh? I see me be so we are CBA so long. Oh, answer. And then one. I see be our answer, see her. But then you should for number, no mamma now. My friend and done us because now my word say a friend is on call now. It's my man done.
No phone number.
Dana, the friend man say. Nothing. I my friend and I'm done us.
No offer. Offer now, no.
Me say for now call no one do the oya na hwe no for number man my friend and done us na.
Me ba opa mama pack me no mama me phone me she ho.
Hey, see ya. O ba na obo am pack ni oniema o fa no one oyare no na say abo am pack e oniema ana obo am pack oniema no so ne phone hwe wo ene mu bie see right
dance na Jimmy Adam
Asantua, look, let's be serious. You've been stalling me for far too long. I brought my proposal in front of you so long. Please, I want an answer. I want to see where I stand in your life.
Okay, I've heard you.
Santa, why are you making this so hard for you?
I'm not making it hard. Look, I just don't want you to hurt me.
Me hurt you?
Yes.
Asantwa, mami chewaji. Ame, say pene do mami nda. Musu mbe nchiefu akulde. Na nchiefu an obiara mbo emfa nchine nka ho. Enkechi mfa nkedi chibunda. Awu musu nsem.
Are you sure?
Asantwa, trust me.
Look, I don't want you to hurt me. I don't want this to be like a revenge thing, you know. Do you get me?
Asantwa, I don't believe in revenge. After all we've been through, if I didn't love you, I wouldn't come back.
Are you really sure about this?
Asantwa, I'm very sure.
Then you have to promise me.
I promise. I promise you right now, Asantwa. You don't have to talk plenty. I promise that this is not a revenge. This is not my way of getting back at you. Nothing like that.
Okay, I accept.
Really? Okay. I'm just so happy that it's easy. Alright, then. Shall we be?
Go away.
You already know that you're right like that.
Hey!
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any months so drum meya.
Hey,
Adam.
number 3. Good afternoon. Oh,
What is the good about the afternoon?
are you waiting for someone?
I'm waiting for you. Stand there. When are you going?
When am I going? Come here, bro.
I'm waiting for you. Why are you passing by? What is going on?
You are waiting for me now.
It's like it's been like right new or those days. No, you don't want to give me an information. What's the problem?
The problem is from you. I got you. Obi am information come on. The back Daniel ha. O serve ya. No serve me name boys na can na pepe. Information I'm demand nonsense for so be so I have to stop.
Adams, because you don't give me the right information, which is badly.
I won't give you the right information.
Why are you coming to lie back to me that Aroma has born a son? Or it's your son and you are giving the title to my boyfriend? What kind of liars and lying is that?
I don't understand English. You
don't understand. Then I will catch me say, oh ba oh no, I will catch me say Aroma ba.
Me ba. Na Madam Katru bushwe me amigina ho ya meet me woman ye. Me ya amigina me hu so utimi wo akura man.
No, do you know something? I'm even scared.
About what?
And I dey bore you. Me I don't even like liar boys or girls.
Madam Katru, calm down. What you are trying to explain to me, no?
That's why I want to tell you that try to took the right information, come and give me. Don't come and give me unnecessary information which is lies or is not the truth thing and you are coming to told me.
Listen. Me de okanina semetiasia, which means Aroma Bekacho say Akra no one amaba na
it's your son.
It's whose son?
It's a daughter. So is it not it?
Once a young throw 20 no so me ba.
Before you rough, you are lucky that today you get a little bit content to it because I am thinking that I want to punish you in this issue.
No, Madam Katun, calm down. I haven't give birth to me no be an you.
No, now who son be that? Who picky be that?
It's for Aroma.
Aroma say it's not from him, so it's from you.
Madam Katun, listen. Me from breaking that here say. Me say now hold this secret na my bread. No crane want say Aroma and then ama awa kra. And because of eduane kakro benya wo no mama me bi ni scanty no. Ana o ka say ye man me mention that man in trendy school mu ha say akra na me ba say na ebe ya wote kra na like bon say me ba. Ntu pa won komo we am na wood. Opa ko hostel ne bisa boys ni me no ana say girls ni bi say amaba na ye kwan bo bi abeka say me ba.
Me I don't want someone or another person hearing my issue or my problem or my personal issue for myself. So if you know it's a truth, then no, prove it and let me see.
I'll prove it to you. The child is not for me. She's not my daughter. I don't have any child.
So the child name is on your name, but he is not your biological father or something, right?
The child doesn't have my name. She doesn't have my surname. She doesn't even have any of my names. It's Aruma's name.
So should I trust you in this way?
Yeah, trust me. the child's real name is called Nadia Buari Aroma.
So she is she. She's not he.
She.
Ah, God.
She. It's Aruma's daughter.
But you are confusing my mind. Truly, fatten telling.
See, I swear.
It's truth.
It's Aruma's daughter.
So why don't you tell me from the start, and this time you are coming to tell me the truth? Because the last time you told me a different thing. So why today?
It's because I was taking it step by step.
Oh, please know what you're doing, or else when I get bit, you see the bad side of me. I don't want to get a bit.
The bad
side of me. Liar boy, like you. Hey, let me tell you something. Don't flow me, because you know I am the canteen madam. I can jam and pentua into your food. So your energy is me, your stomach is me. All of the thing is in me. So know how you talk, know how you spoke, know how you do to me, and know how you coincident with me before I left hungry, okay?
Now, Katri, I can report you to the school authorities so that want to poison me. What you are doing is a threat.
It's not a threat, but you have to be carefully. Or before the thing destroyment, okay? Liar. You want me and my boyfriend to do it?
So no Aroma no me koye ni ya no asem. Me kwa catch and say me mumba.